Moinuddin Sheikh, also known as Moin, and this is my presentation oral report for the class of the Art of Technical Communication. The course code is COMM13729. My professor is Professor Prem Bergson. The topic that I would like to cover today in this presentation is why Devin can't replace programmers. To give all of you guys who are unaware about Devin a brief overview, Devin is an AI developed platform, meaning it's an AI model just like ChatGPT and other AI models, though it is designed specifically to ease the process of programming and coding. It is capable, just like ChatGPT and other AI models, it is capable of taking user ideas and abstract inputs as the input, and it is capable of implementing them as an actual project. To illustrate, you can just write or give a prompt to Devin that you want to make a website for e-commerce and you want it to be specifically for, let's say, groceries. Then it would take that prompt into consideration and would make not the whole website, but it can make specific pages like the home page, the index page, or a product page, and then you can use that as a basic framework in your project. So the thing is, why can't it replace programmers? It has been a current topic nowadays. Why Devin is a hot topic. People are speculating about it because Devin can replace programmers as per certain people, though certain people believe that it cannot. As for me, I believe that Devin, being an AI model, cannot replace programmers' job. To give you certain proof and to advocate on what my belief is, this is a real world software engineering performance benchmark, and it shows the performance of all the AI models in the domain of programming. So if we consider that, the performance of Devin is way ahead of all of the other AI models. And one quite fascinating fact about this report is that the ChatGPT, which is booming currently, stands fourth in the list of fifth in the list of software engineering performance benchmark. And it was quite, I was shocked by looking at the stats and the numbers, but as they say, number never lies, so this is what it is. So the thing is, this is the report, and it shows that out of all the possible programming problems available on GitHub, which covers almost every single problem faced by the programmer and can be considered as a reliable source of benchmarking stuff, Devin is able to solve 13.86% of all the problems correctly, and the rest of the problems is not under the capability of Devin to solve, which is quite low. However, it is quite high as compared to other AI models, which is really appreciated, though the thing is that it is not reliable, and also it's not accountable. For example, if a human programmer makes an error or a mistake, he is reliable and accountable for what he's doing, and he will try his best to resolve them and get over with it. Though an AI model is never reliable and accountable, you can't issue a pay cut to an AI model if he doesn't do his tasks, if the model doesn't perform the expected tasks. Though another thing that makes it incompetent is the difficulty in maintaining the program. For example, once a website or any other software application is released and is in is in the market, you need to maintain it continuously. But while maintaining, there can be a lot of exceptional cases which you might have not considered while developing it, and for that reason only you hire special developers for maintaining purposes, though AI is not competent enough to perform those, because most of the problems which are faced during the when the product is released in the market are quite difficult to resolve and really unexpected. For example, sometimes the server just randomly crashes and you need to find the bug in the whole server code. And lastly, this stat I would like to talk about more about it. The benchmark which is possessed by Devin is only 13.9%, which is quite low because human programmers contribute around 90%. A competent programmer or developer working will be able to solve 90% of all the problems available on GitHub and other software websites, software testing, programming testing websites. And this really clearly states that Devin is not competent enough to replace programmers. Though I would like to mention one more thing just to be on the safer side. Here, the programmers that I'm considering are the programmers who has a good number of years of experience and who are already quite competent in their field. So please just don't consider any random programmer to have a benchmark of 90%. So to conclude, I would like to say that Devin, I don't want to criticize Devin because Devin AI can be a really good tool to automate simple tasks like building few web pages and stuff like that. But I don't advocate the belief that it can replace programmers completely. Moreover, I also believe that with the aid of AI and Devin itself, the work burden of programmers can be significantly relieved since the basic tasks can be really automated with the help of Devin AI. But one another downside of this thing is that we may observe a fall in the compensation rates of programmers. So, for example, if a programmer is getting paid like 100,000 a year, he might see a dip in his compensation package since most of his work is being done by AI model called Devin. So this was my presentation. I hope you like it and thank you for your time. And here's the references slide, which references to all the which refers to all the resources that I used in this presentation. Thank you so much.